Blue jays in a feeding frenzy on the grass. Robins also. Some grackles down there at the other end. Sparrows eating bread. I believe that's a woodpecker on woodpecker suet, and I think it's a downy woodpecker. The Merlin bird ID was picking up. Also could be a northern flicker, but it doesn't look like it's completely brown like that, so I'm gonna probably say a downy woodpecker. It's a baby blue jay up there squawking. Robins. There's some wet cat food on the ground. Ooh. They collide sometimes like that. They get aggressive. I saw the robin chasing the sparrow over there, just to get it away from the bread, but the robin was eating some bread. And the sparrows are eating bread over there. What's up with the blue jays? We got a large blue jay population over here. They really love peanuts. They're a very smart bird. It's a mourning dove right there. Is that a robin? Oh, it's a light colored robin in there, I believe. Squirrel's been eating peanuts all day. Blue jay's cracking the peanut.